So welcome to Ash Bank Coaching. Myself Veera Prakash. So today we are going to deal with Vedic maths. Okay. So under this first one, we are going to multiply the digits which are less than 100 or near to 100. Okay. So less than or near to 100. So which are the numbers which are less than 100 or near to 100? Say for example 96 into 94. So I want to multiply these two digits. So this can be solved under IXI method. Okay. So this method or the normal calculation or tens and units or by Vedic maths. So this problem can be solved in 4 varieties. Okay. So whichever is easier for you, then that option you can adopt. So in this case, we are dealing with the Vedic maths which are less than or near to 100. Suppose we want to multiply 96 into 94. So as these two digits, the condition what it tells, it should be less than or near to 100. Okay. So how much less is this? 96? 4 less. So 100 minus 4 is 96. Similarly, what about this? So 94 is 6 short. So 100 minus 6 is 94. So now you multiply this portion. 6 4s are 24. Okay. Now cross subtraction. 96 minus 6, 90. Or else you can go for even this also. 94 minus 4, 90. So the final answer is 9024. So once again, just you have to take the difference of these two numbers for 100. So 96 is 4 short and 94 is 6 short. So we have to multiply this portion. 4 into 6, 24. 6 4s are 24. Then cross subtraction. Okay. So 96 minus 6. You can have any one, either this part or this part. Cross subtraction. 94 minus 4 is 90 or 96 minus 6 is also 90. So anyone you can take. So the final answer for 96 into 94 is 9024. Okay. So we having some more examples. Say 98 into 99. Okay, both are near to 100. So here near to 100 means you have to take you can have the digits till 75. Okay, up to 75 you can have this trick. So now 98 into 99, again 2 is short and 1 is short. Again you have to multiply this part. So 2 ones are 2, but you should not add single 2, we have to take a 0. So here the place value is also very important. So if it is answer for multiplying this portion is 2 digits, keep 2 digits as it is. If it is a single digit, so place a 0. Or sometimes it may come more than 2 digits, say 3 digits. So you have to write only 2 digits and the 100th part you have to carry forward. Okay, so we'll be looking after the next example. So now cross subtraction. 98 minus 1, 97. So the final answer is 97024, 98 into 99. Okay, so we'll be having another example. Say 88 into 89. Okay, so 88 is 12 short, 89 is 11 short. So as I told you previously, so now you must multiply this part. 12 into 11, so 12 into 11 is 132. 132, so just write 32, you have to take 1 carry forward. Okay, now cross subtraction. 88 minus 11 or 89 minus 12, both will be having the same result. So 77 plus 1, 78. So this carry you have to add for the final, what you are going to subtract here, cross subtraction. Okay, so the answer for 88 into 89 is 7832. Okay, so just go on practicing on this. Okay, unless you will become perfect. So you require some 30 to 40 columns based on this, which are nearer to 100. So thank you very much in this session.